Hey everybody, good morning. Happy Christmas Eve. I made a video about 2 days ago and I've been waiting for it to upload and it wouldn't do it. So this morning, just about an hour ago, I went in and I cleaned out everything, all pictures, all videos. I deleted that video, and now I'm gonna try this, and hopefully this one will go through, because if it don't, then something's wrong with my phone. But I think it will, now that I cleaned everything out. So I had done so many, I gave a bunch of shout outs and, you know, Merry Christmas to a lot of people, and now I can't even remember all the people. There were so many. I guess I can always do another video later, but for right now, I gotta run to the store and just got a couple things I gotta do. Didn't plan on doing anything today because, you know, Christmas Eve. I figured it'd be a nice easy day and tomorrow, but nope. So, well, Merry Christmas to everybody. I'm planning on, and a Happy New Year too, in case I don't get a video out or get a message out or whatever. But I'm thinking this should work now. So, all right, I'll go ahead and post this, and y'all take it easy. Don't get sick from that new strain of the COVID out there. And we'll talk to you later. Peace, everybody. Good me.